Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a newest acquisition of a 1982 one-owner Crossfire Corvette Coupe that has less than a little over 50,000 miles. One owner, all paperwork, everything. Come and take a look. We'll give you the tour. Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of our newest cars that is now for sale, a 1982 Corvette Coupe, Crossfire injected 350. Neat story, very unusual color, only one of 753 in silver green. One owner, 50,000 original miles. This car is impeccably taken care of. Now you would say a car from Minnesota probably would have a rust problem. Not this particular car. This car underneath is absolutely immaculate, and the gal who bought it new said never been driven in the winter. So the underside is really nice. She did order lots of accessories. You got the leather interior, you got tilt steering, telescope, you've got cruise control, the automatic, you got power windows, power door locks. I mean, this car was really well loaded in 1982. And of course, the last of the Stingray body styles was the 1982. Again, it's got nice rubber. The car has just been impeccably taken care of from day one. If you'd like to get more information about this car, you can visit it on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can check it out on our YouTube channel or Facebook, or even Instagram would have all the information on this car. Or if you want to come in person, we are open here in Rogers, Minnesota, Monday through Saturday, 10 to 5. Be happy to see you. Happy to have you take a good look at our inventory. Thanks for visiting today. Talk to you soon.